Big weather story we're going to be tracking tonight through tomorrow morning. The winds are going to be a whipping. Now, not looking too bad right now, but they will start to increase as we get into this afternoon. By this evening through tomorrow morning, we could have gusts 35 to 50 miles an hour from Livingston to Big Timber over to Columbus, even into Laurel along I-90 there, maybe just stopping shy just to the west of Billings, although we could get some of that. Also, Harlingen, Rygate, you could see some of those stronger winds. That means blowing snow will be an issue. So especially tomorrow morning, watch out for that during your commute. All right, let's talk about that chance of snow. We saw some last night, just a few flurries this morning, still some snow around the mountains this morning, but high pressure taking over, bringing some dry conditions through tomorrow afternoon. We'll see our fair share of sunshine today. Then we have another shot of energy coming in Wednesday night into Thursday. Could pick up a couple of inches of snow, maybe up to 3 inches around the mountains, upslope areas, 1 to 3 inches. If we see any snow here in the lower elevations, we're generally looking at a blend of models. Less than a half an inch is what we're expecting. Red Lodge, though, may pick up a couple of inches, so we'll just have to keep an eye on that. Maybe some impactful snow, but nothing like we saw Friday, Saturday of last week, but still some snow nonetheless. Then high pressure takes back over, staying dry, and then Friday night into the weekend, we see another push, several pushes of moisture coming into play, giving us a chance of more snow. Warming up today. Now, we're still going to see some teens over on the eastern side of Montana. The rest of the region looking at 20s and 30s today.